In this, we're going to learn how to make a more customized motion tween. So create a new Flash file, make a ball. That's a bit uneven. No, we're going to make a rectangle actually. And then we're just going to make a new layer. And we're just going to make this line and get your pencil tool and just make a custom guide, whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to make this a bit curvy. And make sure you have the smooth instead of straighten, so this comes smooth. I'm just going to double click this. We're going to smoothen this a bit. And some of it's good, some of it isn't. That's this part right here doesn't seem good, so we're going to zoom into that with your zoom tool. I'm going to delete that. We're going to connect this. We're going to go back to 100%. We're going to fix this part. Let's zoom into that, because I don't like it like that. So let's make this smooth. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter. And this is gonna be our motion path. So now we're gonna Control X this. We're gonna delete this layer. Go to the red layer with the rectangle, and we're just gonna create a motion tween. Press OK. Put this on the other side, and all we're gonna do is that we're gonna go press Control V or Command V on the Mac, and now we have this custom path. If we were to play this, it's kind of okay. But let's make this bigger. You would double click it, click your free transform tool, and you can edit this, and it won't even affect your tween that much. This is too big. I'm gonna move this in the center. That's pretty good. Something you're gonna notice is that you probably want it to be to rotate when it makes a curve. What you would do is you would click this, and you would have this option called Orient to Path, and it's gonna make a bunch of keyframes in this frame. And if we were to play this movie now, you see that's kind of not what we wanted. What you would do is to undo this. Let's zoom in with our zoom tool to this location. We're gonna get our free transform tool. Make sure it's your object, not the thing, and we're just gonna make it face the direction it's facing. Then we're gonna go to the last frame, which is on this side, and we're gonna make it face a little bit more this way, because that's the way it's leaving. And then we're gonna click the path and click Orient to Path. We're gonna go back to 100%, and now we're gonna try this again. And now you see it's more of what we wanted, instead of just spinning around. And that's how you create a custom motion tween. And if you're curious what a tween was, a tween is basically kind of like better if I make it this way. In making animations like Disney, they have two types of artists. They have the main artist, and they have the not main artist, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but the main artist basically makes keyframes. So if you were to have a guy running, you would probably put his start position and his end position, and you the other artist would make all the frames in between. And that's what's happening in tweening, basically making the first keyframe and then the end keyframe, and Flash is gonna do everything in between. Of course, sometimes you can do some of the in-betweens, and Flash will do the other in-betweens. That's your choice, not Flash. So that's pretty much what tweening is. It's just in between. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.